everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talking about how to create a menu like this. It's called a menu animation that you can click it and it will transform it into the cross sign, as you can see. Okay, let's make it using HTML, CSS and Javascript with a simple step and simple code. Okay, so we getting started to create that menu together. Okay, the first thing you need to do is go into your editor to create a new file, and then you can save it in wherever you want. I want to in my demo folder, and I want to create a new folder called menu icon, menu animate, create. Okay, menu animation.html. Okay, so we need to create a standard HTML. Okay, so I want to change the title of my web page to iKhmer4ever demo menu animate. Okay, let's save it. Okay, so what we're going to do now? So we need to create I want to create a paragraph element that just so this is menu animate demo by Forever Studio. Okay, this is just label. Okay, the next thing we need to do is create a div element. That inside div element it have 3 child like this. You can copy it. Okay, 3 child. Okay, let me okay, as you can see like this. Here our menu. So okay, here the first one of div is like this, and second in here, and third in here, and this div is square. It's a parent of 3 div. Okay, so what we need to do next is create class for our container. I can say container, and we need to create class for our child. I can say bar1. Can copy it. Okay, let me copy it again. Okay, just rename it to bar2 and bar3. Save it. Okay, so we need to decor it by going to the top in header tag, and you need to create a style tag to write any code, any CSS code in the style text. So I need to style to the container class. We can copy from this to this, like this, and open bracket. So what we need to do is I want to display inline block like this, and I want cursor so pointer when I'm over in here, when I get my mouse, my pointer on the menu, it will show pointer. Okay, so the next step is they go to our bar 1, bar 2, and bar 3. Open bracket, okay, like this. So what we need to do is assign which to it. I can say 30 pixel and height 5 pixel, and background color like this, and I will, okay, I use blue. So you can say margin 6px 0. Okay, and then the transition 0.s like this. Okay. What I need to do next is when we click on the menu, what we need to change. Okay, bar 1. What we need bar 1 change when we click on the menu. So I wanted to transform it, rotate 35 degrees. Okay, WebKit transform. Yes, rotate and gel. Oh, sorry. Rotate. Okay. Decorate translate. Maybe it's ph and transform rotates 35 degrees. And translate 90 ph. Okay, okay, so what we need to do on the battle, I just okay, sorry, in here bar 1 is also class and bar 3 is also class as well, so we need to put on. Okay, so what we need to do on the battle is just assign opacity to 0, to visible, to invisible, to hidden, and about the bar 3, we do the same bar 1, but we rotate it to 45 degrees. to contrast to make it a cross sign. Okay, so what we need to do next? We need to write a script in JavaScript function to toggle the CS selection in here. When we click on menu, it's called this CSS to working when we click on the menu. So what we need to do is go to down below and write JavaScript inside script tag. I can say function. My function called click menu like this. And I put a parameter into it. So it's a x dot class list dot toggle chain. Here chain here like this. It will come to this CSS selector. Okay, what we need to do next is run that code. Open in Finder. Okay, so we need to open it. Yes, as you can see, like this. Here. When we over the mouse, it shows the pointer. And we cannot click. Because why? Because we not yet add action into our div. So we need to action on click. What we need to do is call to click menu and assign the parameter. This menu our document. So try it again. Just register. Boom! Wow! As you can see. Okay. Why it's all like this? We go back to our code. Oh, sorry. In here we need to translation to only H pixel, and here also X pixel, and here also X pixel, and here also X pixel, and save it, and go back to again and refresh it, and you need to click it again. Oh. Why is still like this? Oh, sorry, we forget minor. Let's save it and run it again. Okay, it's working fine. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to support our channel to get notification from our new video on time. Okay, thank you for watching, and again, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more video. Okay, goodbye.